If you are looking for a high quality yet affordable earbuds, Beats Flex is an excellent choice. These are great fit for my ears and they don't even fall out when I'm working out. The sound quality is good for the price and they work equally well for listening to music or for Zoom calls. The microphone works well and I have not gotten any complaints about the sound quality from my colleagues. Also, Bluetooth has a great range. You can easily walk around the house with these earbuds without any issues. One of the benefits of this design is that you will not lose them easily as they stay with you around your neck. There are magnets inside these earbuds which make them stick together. Beats Flex has a battery life of 12 hours. They also have a great fast fuel functionality. When the battery is low and you only charge for 10 minutes, you will get 1.5 hours extra playback. If you are looking for a great price-quality ratio, get the Beats Flex. To learn more about the features, availability, and pricing, click the link in the video description below. For more great product reviews, click the video on the screen now.